Okay, Bubble. Tell the people at home what you done. What did you do?
You mean you did.
I done jack shit. Timmy, what did you do?
I forgot the cable.
Steve, what did you do? What did you do?
I forgot the cable.
What cable?
No water cable.
From the washing machine?
Yeah, because you pulled it out.
I never pulled nothing out. It's been out for about a week.
You asshole.
It doesn't live in that hole in the ground. You just flooded the bathroom.
At least it's clean.
It's not cleaned. Look at the colour of the water. It's disgusting.
Just because it's red washing.
Just you mop that up and think about what you've done.